马春霞女士。
Hello, distinguished analysts, distinguished leaders, guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. First of all, I would like to start my sincere thanks to Mr. Sophia Zhang, our Chief Executive Director of Hong Kong Trade Development Council, for giving me the floor. Thank you very much. It is a great honor to join Hong Kong delegation's visit to Uzbekistan and to exchange ideas with the Chamber of Commerce and Executive of Uzbekistan and the local enterprises. Uzbekistan is an important partner in Belt and Road cooperation with the rapid development of infrastructure, energy, mining, industrial parks, renewable energy projects. We see significant opportunities for long-term cooperations. My name is C.C. Ma. I represent Hebei GoodFix Industrial, the company behind the FIXDEX brand, a China-based engineering material and installation system company rooted in Hebei province. Hebei GoodFix FIXDEX is the national-level specialized, refined, innovative little giant enterprise. We focus on 4 core product systems: entrance system, bathroom system, pipe support system, renewable energy installation system. Our products and services are widely used in industrial building, energy, and power projects, mining, infrastructure, steel structure, MEP installation, and solar PV projects. What makes FIXDEX different is that we are not only Industrial 4.0 smart digital manufacturer, we also provide integrated solutions covering project development, manufacturing, testing, support, certificates, global delivery, and technical support. We work closely with China Academic of Building Research, known as CABR, which strengthens our capabilities in engineering standards, testing, and international certificate. Today, FIXDEX products has been exported to more than 120 countries and regions, with overseas branches, overseas manufacturing capability, and international certificate including CE, ETA, ICC, UL, FM, as well as cable-related certificate. We have accumulated extensive experience in serving global engineering projects. Another important advantage is our anti-corrosion and metal surface treatment capability. Our facilities provide large-scale gardening and surface protection service, ensuring durability and long-shelf life for engineering material. We believe these capabilities are highly relevant to Uzbekistan and Central Asia, where projects often face demanding environmental conditions and require reliable long-term performance. Looking ahead, we hope to focus on 3 areas of cooperation. First, participating in renewable energy, industrial infrastructure, mining, power, and construction projects. Second, developing a localized engineering material supply chain, including warehousing, inventory support, equipment rental, and project service. Third, building long-term